beach bear.
I got something to say that might cause you pain. If I catch you talking to that bear again, I'm gonna let you down.
Let you down.
And leave you flat.
Gonna let you down and leave you flat.
Because I told you before, oh, you can't do that. Well, it's the second time I caught you talking to him. Do I have to tell you one more time? I think it is it. I think I'll let you down.
Let you down.
And leave you flat.
Gonna let you down and leave you flat.
Because I told you before, oh, you can't do that. Everybody's green, 'cause I'm the bear who won your love. But if it's you talking that way, they laugh in my face. So please listen to me if you wanna stay mine. I can't help my feelings, I go out of my mind. I'm gonna let you down.
Let you down.
And leave you flat.
Let you down and leave you flat.
Because I told you before, oh, you can't do that. Because I told you before, oh, you can't do that.
Close your eyes and I'll kiss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. Remember, I'll always be true. And then while I'm away, I'll ride home every day, and I'll send all my loving to you. I'll pretend that I'm kissing the lips I am missing, and hope that my dreams will come true. And then while I'm away, I'll ride home every day, and I'll send all my loving to you. All my loving I will send to you. All my loving, darling, I'll be true.
Well, she was just 17. You know what I mean. And the way she looked was way beyond compare. Oh, how could I dance with another? Oh, when I saw her standing there. Well, my heart went boom when I crossed that room, and I held her hand in my Now I'll never dance with another. Oh, when I saw her standing there. Well, since I saw her standing there. Yeah, well, since I saw her standing there.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Rock-afire Explosion is proud to present its tribute to the most loved rock and roll group in the history of music.